this video, we're going over how to start and scale an online travel agency that actually makes money, even if you are starting from scratch. What's up, guys? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and today we're talking about turning a dream business into a real one. Picture this. You're sitting on your laptop and you just booked a couple's trip to Bali. Flights, hotel, even a waterfall hike they'll never forget. And you made a few $100 doing it without ever leaving your desk. That's the dream behind running an online travel agency. But let's be honest, dreams don't pay the bills. Systems do. So in this video, I'll show you how it works, what tools you need, how to land clients, and how to build something that doesn't burn out before it even gets started. Let's get into it. Step 1. Don't be generic. Pick a niche you can win in. Before you even think about setting up a website or booking engine, there's one question you need to answer. Who are you helping? And what kind of trips are you helping them book? That's your niche. And if you skip this step, you're setting yourself up to fail. Trying to be a budget Expedia or a bootleg booking.com, it's not gonna cut it. Big platforms already have the entire globe covered. But here's where you can win. Go narrow and deep. Maybe you help couples book romantic getaways in Italy. Maybe you specialize in trips for digital nomads or remote workers. Maybe you help retirees plan bucket list vacations. Or maybe you curate extreme adventure travel. Skydiving in Dubai, cave diving in Mexico. Whatever gets your people going. The more specific you are, the easier it is to stand out. And that niche doesn't just help you with marketing. It shapes everything else. From the types of travel products that you offer, to the platforms that you partner with, to your pricing model. Step 2, find the right products and suppliers. Once you know what type of travel experience you're selling, the next step is figuring out where those experiences come from. That means suppliers. And here's where things can get interesting. You don't have to invent anything. You just need to plug in to suppliers who already offer hotels, flights, tours, or packaged experiences, and then sell them in a way that makes sense for your audience. There are 3 main paths here. Number 1, white label platforms. These are pre-built platforms with travel products already included. You basically slap your logo on it, maybe make a few tweaks, and boom, you're technically live. It's fast and cheap, but the downside is that you have limited control. The features are what they are, and your commissions are usually lower. Still, it's a great starting point if you just want to test the waters. 2, wholesalers or resellers. If you want a bit more control, you can work with middlemen who buy travel inventory in bulk and then resell it to agencies like yours. You'll still split commissions, but you can often get better prices or a wider range of options. Think of it like Costco, but for hotel rooms and airline seats. 3, direct supplier deals. This is the most advanced route. You go directly to airlines, hotel chains, or tour providers and negotiate your own deals. The benefit? Higher margins, more control, and sometimes exclusivity. Trade-off? Takes a lot more work to build those relationships, and most suppliers won't even talk to you until you have a proven track record or decent sales volume. The path that you pick depends on where you're starting from, your budget, and how hands-on you want to be. Step 3, understand your unit economics before you go broke. Let's pause for a second, because if there's one reason most online travel agencies crash and burn, it's this. They don't understand the numbers. Here's the deal. You're not just earning money. You're spending it too. There are booking platform fees, payment processor fees, bank fees, maybe affiliate fees. And depending on your suppliers, your commission structure might be fixed or it might fluctuate. That's why it's critical to map out your unit economics before you go live. What's the average commission you'll earn per booking? How much are you spending per client to acquire them? What tools or services are you paying for behind the scenes? Are you the merchant of record, meaning you process payments, or does your supplier handle that? Crunch the numbers. Do a basic profit loss projection, because a $50 commission on a hotel sounds nice until you realize it costs you $60 to get the client. Step 4, build your tech stack without overcomplicating it. Now that you've got your niche and your suppliers in place, it's time to build the machine that ties everything together, your tech stack. At a minimum, you need a booking engine. So this connects to suppliers and lets users search, view pricing, and make reservations. A user interface. Could be a website, a mobile app, or both. This is where your customers actually browse and book. If you're starting from scratch and you want something simple, clean, and affordable, I recommend using Hostinger to build your website. Their drag and drop builder makes it easy to create professional looking travel sites without needing to code, and it works great with booking integrations. Next, you need a back office. So basically your admin panel. This is where you manage bookings, talk to clients, control commissions, and track data. If you're just starting out, another white label solution might include include all of this for you. Something like GoHighLevel, if you've got some tech experience or a bit more budget, you can plug into a booking API and build a custom site on top of it. If you want to get started with GoHighLevel, just click the link down below in the description to get started with a free 14-day trial. Either way, don't overthink this part. The goal isn't to have the flashiest site on day one. It's to have a system that works, gives your customers a smooth experience, and actually lets you make sales. Now, if you want to get started with Hostinger, we'll also have a link for them down in the description below. Just click on the link, which will bring you to this page right here, and all you need to do is click on Claim Deal to go ahead and choose between their two different platforms, their premium website builder and their business website builder. So on the premium plan, you can create up to 25 websites. On the business website builder, you can create up to 50 websites. Now, once you go ahead and choose your plan, just click on Choose Plan. And from here, you just select the term you want to commit to, whether that's 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. For this example, I'll select 12 months. And then from here, just go to coupon code and type in Startup Wise, all one word, and click Apply. And then for only $53.89, you're going to get access to Hostinger for an entire year, which is an incredible deal. So click the link down below in the description and use code StartupWise at checkout. Step 5, you still need people. Now, even with all the automation in the world, a good travel agency still needs real humans behind the scenes. Think about it. What happens when a flight is canceled, or someone can't find their booking email, or needs help changing a hotel date? That's where travel agents come in. These might be freelancers, contractors, or even just you at the beginning. But you'll need someone, eventually multiple people, handling customer support, supplier communication, and manual overrides. It's easy to overlook, but this human layer is what keeps your agency trustworthy, especially if you want return customers. Step 6. Here's how you actually make money. All right, let's talk money now. So how does an online travel agency actually earn income? There's a few main ways. Number 1, commissions. This is the big one. Every time someone books a flight, hotel, or tour through your site, you get a cut. Sometimes it's a flat rate, sometimes it's a percentage. Sometimes you set it yourself. Next is bonuses plus volume deals. If you're working directly with airlines or hotels and hit certain sales targets, they'll often pay you extra at the end of the year. Think of it like a travel agent performance bonus. Upsells. Want to choose your seat, add travel insurance, upgrade to a suite? Every one of those options is an upsell opportunity, and you get a piece of it. Membership models. Some agencies run like Costco. Clients pay a monthly or yearly fee to access better rates or exclusive packages. It's not for everyone, but in the right niche, it works well. Payment provider rebates. Now, this is a bit more advanced, but if you process large amounts of transactions through a specific payment partner, you might get 1 to 2% back. Doesn't sound like much until you're doing 500,000 in bookings. Step 7. Client acquisition is your real job. Now, this might be the most important section of the entire video, because no matter how pretty your website is, how smooth your booking flow is, or how great your supplier deals are, if nobody knows you exist, you don't have a business. So let's talk customer acquisition. If you're in a general niche like flights and hotels, you'll likely be competing on price, convenience, and service. That means paid ads, SEO, working with meta search engines, and trying to fight your way to the top of Google. It's doable, but it's tough. But if you're in a more focused niche, like music festival travel or wellness retreats, you can go direct, build partnerships, work with influencers, use content marketing, show up where your audience already is. Now, one of the best examples, a ticketing agency that sells concert tickets first, then offers travel packages as an upsell. They don't compete with Expedia. They built their own lane, and that's what you want. Now, a great place to get started with that is TikTok. Just start making free videos to get your organic marketing out there. Once you find some stuff that works, you can start to create TikTok ads. Now, if you want to get started with some free ad credits, just click the link down below in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. And you can get up to $100 in ad credits for a new account. So check out the link down in the description below to get started with some TikTok ads. Step 8, don't sell just once. Build loyalty. Finally, the best travel agencies don't just make a sale and walk away. They build systems to keep people coming back. That could be loyalty programs, personalized emails with trip suggestions, discounts for referrals, exclusive offers for past customers. If you do a good job the first time and you have a reason for people to return, then you turn a one-time commission into a customer with hundreds or even thousands of dollars over the long run. So think long-term. You're not just building a business. You're building a brand that people trust to handle one of the most important purchases that they make, how they spend their time and money when they finally take a break from work. You don't need to be a travel guru, just a good business builder. Starting an online travel agency isn't just for people who live out of a backpack or spend half their life on planes. It's for people who know how to connect the dots between good deals, real needs, and smooth tech. If you can find a group of people who need help booking something and make the process simple, trustworthy, and valuable, then you can absolutely turn this into a real business. The hard part, getting started. So start small. Pick your niche, set up your platform, reach out to your first few clients, build from there. Now, if you want to get started with any of the products we talked about today, GoHighLevel, Hostinger, TikTok ads, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make extra income. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.